Hello, and welcome to this quick Windows tip regarding OneDrive when you have duplicate folders in your quick navigation menu that point to the exact same folder on your machine. In order to fix this, what we have to do is we're going to have to open up our registry and we're going to have to change a value for one of these OneDrive configurations. So I'm going to close my Explorer. I'm going to open up my registry. And actually, let me open that again. And you'll type REG and run as an administrator. Click yes. And over here on the left-hand side, we're going to have some folders underneath computer. You can navigate the directory we're going to go to. I'm going to bring this over here. We're going to end up going to this namespace folder. Essentially, it's going to be underneath your current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, CurrentVersion, Explorer, desktop. This is where we're going to go. We're going to end up getting two folders. I've already copied this in, so that way I just have these values. But what we'll do is we'll copy this first path, which we'll put in the description to get to the namespace folder. And what we have to do is click on anything other than, well, actually, we can click on computer. So I'll go ahead and put in that value in this bar, and I'll hit enter. And then we're going to be in that namespace folder, and you might have different, a number of different subdirectories. What we want to do is we want to click on these alphanumeric values. And what we'll see is in this default name record, I guess, we have this data column, and this one says OneDrive Personal. And I'm gonna click on another one and just says OneDrive. So this indicates that I have these two different alphanumerics that reference OneDrive. What you want to do is then copy that GUID value, and now we're going to go to a settings area that's going to allow us to disable one of those in the quick access menu. And what we're going to do is then navigate to the CLSID folder for the OneDrive that you want to remove from the quick access. So I'm going to remove the second one that just said OneDrive for the data field. And that path is going to be computer, HT class is root, CLSID, and then it is a backslash the path that you would have for that GUID or alphanumeric value. So I'm going to come back over to my registry. And I've already favorited that. And we can see that path there, the one I've mentioned. Actually, I'm going to do the second one. This one just says OneDrive. And we can see there's the folder down there. And then what we do is this system.is pinned to namespace tree. We literally just change it from 1 to 0 for the value. Hit enter. And that has been changed. And then I'm going to close my registry. I'm going to open up my Windows Explorer again, and now we just have one folder. So nice, quick, and easy for those that like a organized folder structure. It was annoying me seeing two. So hopefully this is helpful for anyone who's having this issue as well. If this video has been helpful, hey, give me a like, give me a subscribe. You don't have to, but if you would like to, it'd be greatly appreciated as I'm trying to get back into making more videos. So thanks for stopping by, watching the video. Take care, and see you in the next one.